Guys, good to have you back for another video. So reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the MIB2 system of a Fiat Leon, the navigation system, infotainment multimedia system. We had some problems with our navigation system, was lagging, and the voice of my radio wasn't working anymore. And with this trick I reset it or rebooted the MIB2 system, and it shall help me, so that's why I'm making this tutorial for you to be of any help. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. Then you're gonna use this button for about 10 seconds. Press and hold it. It goes black. Don't release it. Hold it. Don't release it yet till you see the Seat sign. Now you can release it. Now what we did is we rebooted or forced it to reboot the infotainment system of this car. And now what it does is it starts the radio, the media system, the phone system, the navigation system all over again. Normally, now as you can see, the sound is correct and there is no lagging for the navigation system. This was a simple trick on how to reboot the MIB2 system of a Fiat Leon. I hope it helped you. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and subscribe for future videos, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.